What's up, everybody? I am the Wizard of Wall Street, and today I'll be going over my portfolio for the week. I am a little late on this update, but the only reason is I am transferring off of Robinhood. I don't know if you noticed there, since your account has been deactivated, I've initiated a brokerage transfer of all my stocks onto a new platform, so it's not going to longer be the 1K to $100,000 challenge on Robinhood. It's going to be the 1K to $100,000 challenge on Webull, because I decided to move to Webull. The decision to move wasn't very hard at all. After Robinhood kind of crippled a lot of my buying ability and my ability to invest in stocks that I wanted to invest in. So I don't like the idea that restricted my ability to buy stuff. So it was an easy decision for me to switch brokerages. So this week it kind of sucks because I had a lot of stock that I wanted to kind of invest into, and so I've been kind of a little inactive right now, just kind of sitting on my hands researching stocks that I could have got into. So to fight that frustration of myself, I kind of just kind of started investing a little bit into some crypto that I'm usually familiar with. So started investing in some DeFi stuff in crypto, and just kind of waiting a bit until my account gets my funds get moved over to Webull. But right now for the week, I can't remember what we were last week, but right now it says I'm down for the week of 1.6%. I don't remember what we started, but I'm pretty sure we started down at under 8,000 last week. Right now we're sitting at 9,000. I know we're up. It's just saying we're down because during this week we were up close to 10K. This is with Nokia. I was up a lot in Nokia, and like the Robinhood website just started crashing and freezing, and it just seemed like they were deliberately trying to sabotage you. And it caused this huge crash here, which I was trying to sell my shit, but I couldn't sell it because the website was consistently down. It was extremely annoying, and it just felt like they were sabotaging you purposely. It's just like really annoying. So by the time I still made a bit of profit, selling somewhere here, and I just didn't like the idea that what kind of business practices that they were kind of doing and what they're still kind of doing. So I decided to move off of this brokerage. I will start getting more heavily back into it once I transferred into Webull and learn that new interface that Webull has. It's a little bit different, but I'm sure I'll get it down eventually. And it seems like I was kind of going over it. It seems like I could move over to it. We'll go over to it real quick. What's it like, Webull? Yeah. Go over to Webull. So if we go to like the market, it seems a little bit different. It seems something. It seems we'll have to get used to it. As you see here, it's definitely different than Robinhood, but I think essentially everything is pretty much essentially the same. Once you kind of get it down and get used to it, so I'm looking forward to it. Definitely has a lot of cool things that Robinhood didn't have. Like you can invest into IPOs, like as soon as they come out, like before they come out too, which is I don't know how to do it on here, but you can do it on the mobile app, and it was pretty cool. There's some pretty interesting things that I would dive into here and get into, because some of these are pretty cool, and I like the idea of it. So I'm pretty excited, moving over to here. It's not gonna affect my trading in any way. So I still trade the same and do the same. So uh, you know, we'll see how this goes. So you're gonna see a different kind of background, in my videos. I'm still gonna use my same charts here. This is what I was looking at here. I was really looking forward to getting into Apple this week. Yeah, I saw this huge crash and I saw this reversal here. I got this buy signal here, and then I got another long signal, to back up this buy signal. Usually, sometimes they'll line up, and this one lined up perfectly. So I was like, man, if I had my account, I would have got into it. Probably like a 2 week long. call here, and you know, I see this going up, probably retracing back to its all-time highs up here, pushing back up 7%. I just don't know when, you know, how long it's gonna, or how steep it's gonna do it. You see, like this one kind of shot up, you know, 6 days, so 11%. So if you would have done a call on this, you would have got some pretty good money, you know, doing a call. So, you know, that was my plan. I was planning on doing a, you know, I'm not really great with calls, so I'm out. For me, I'm more safer doing than debit spreads. So I would have been a call debit spread on this and make some pretty good money, but can't do any trading right now, so hands are tied at the moment. But I think it's for the best, and my best for my investments. So, yeah, these are my positions that are currently, and that I'm holding right here. Still have Mark. I feel this is going to continue to go up. I think this is a great company. Same thing with IDEX. I think IDEX is a great company. I wish I bought more of this company. And then these are my 3 EV companies here. Workhorse was killing it this week, and then it's had like a huge drop. I think it's because it's look at this. It was killing it. It was killing this weekend. It just dropped crazy. But this is, I think it's gonna retrace back up. So I have no problems with this. You know, and it sucks because I'm missing to sell these calls. You know, I'm missing money. I could be selling these calls right here for, you know, making $85 or $100. You know, selling these calls, but I can't do any trading right now until after the transfer goes through. So it's waiting. I'm a very impatient person, so I'm just waiting. You know, but that's about it, guys. Want to make a quick video. I don't want to go too deep into things. Just letting y'all know I'm transferring over. This is why some of the videos that have been kind of delayed. But once all this stuff goes through, we're gonna hit it hard, make some money. Hopefully, get to that $10,000 range. Hopefully, push that $10,000 range, and hopefully get close to, you know, that $15,000, $20,000. And then it kind of keep building from there. You know, we started off start off with, you know, very low. I think I start off with 1,000, and then I put, you know, my stimulus and some money monthly in there. So probably put like 5,000 in there total. You know, we're kind of doubled, you know, our money. So yeah, 5,000. This is what I'm trying to put in here, right here. So, you know, this is where we were at. This is where we started in here. I started at 1,000 and kind of put my money in there. You know, as time went through, and right now I'm sitting at 9,000. Hopefully, you can keep pushing and pushing, or you could get close to that $100,000 mark. That's my goal. Then once we get there, I'm going to keep pushing to it. $1 million, and we're going to do this all through YouTube, so you can see this journey. That, you know, it just takes determination and consistency to, you know, keep building. Yeah, we're gonna have some bad weeks like this one. I mean, you know, we're never gonna consistently go up all the time. But, you know, as long as you push through, understand your mistakes, understand, you know, the faults that, you know, the errors and stuff that you made and the decisions that you make, and you know, correct those mistakes. You know, you make yourself a better trader overall. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you.